let's test launch control. Cameras on, national speed limit road. Literally, you just have it set, you put your foot on the brake, foot on the clutch. Oh, the bang! And I felt I went easy on the throttle because I just didn't want to
sort of lose that track.
Yeah, it sort of span a little bit. That's the bang you were probably talking about. I take it you've heard it that loud before. Yeah. It's always fun with a bit of launch control. Yeah, let's head to that. Yeah, see now the exhaust is warm. It's like it's a little bit happier. But it banged right at the top end, where normally noise for cars stop. So I'm really surprised at that. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel comfortable in its firmest setting. So I can imagine basically in comfort, in normal, it's perfectly fine. I love the rev matching. Gearbox is nice as well. Oh, that's a good car, man. It's a very good car. Oh man, you're not going to get tired of that at all. Like you have to be going crazy speeds to have fun.
I actually feel like you can go faster than damper seems to settle down.
Yes, yeah. Brakes are really good. You barely have to push the pedal at all.
Not low down torque, you just third gear, it's happy.
Yeah, you could. And to be fair, when you're sort of like, I can imagine if you're like 4th, 5th, and 6th. Doesn't always do the bangs, but it's on the clutch, isn't it? That's where you get the bangs. Yeah, so that's quite interesting because like on mine, it's just a case of lift off throttle. That's the only time you'll get, and on gear chains. It's really, really good. I'm taken by it, man. Really, really am. Really, really am. It's just a shame that you can't buy them, really, if you want it. It does feel a little bit different to the Mark IV. Like, genuinely, the facelift feels like they've done just a few little bits. Maybe it is the tyres, maybe it's the little bit in the suspension. It feels really good. And I love the looks. It looks pretty special. What I might do is I might do a quick summary walk around just here. and then
obviously feel free to shut the roof if that suits you.
it might help, yeah. Shall we? Because you can just have it like a little tilt. That looks so cool.
Do you want the tilt, don't it?
Have the tilt, yeah, because that shouldn't
That's
have.
just the first. That's it.
Oh, that's super cool. Right, camera's on. It's got launch control. I mean, we could launch it on there if you're happy.
Yeah.